Time for chicken feed. Time for chicken feed. Oh shit! Oh, look how fucking desperate they look. You've been stuck in there 2 hours longer than you should have. Up again, stupid. Hop, hop, whoop. The first one comes out, I'm gonna grab your tail and you're being held in my hands. Come on, come on, come on. Fuck. Oh, who's next? Come on, Franklin. Gwendolyn. Guinevere. I'm not Guinevere, already slipped past my defenses. You're next. Come on, bitch. Test your mic. Fuck.
Did you see him sizing you up?
Fuck.
Close the door, close it.
Why?
Okay, so you need to think about this smarter, dude. This is the last chicken.
Look,
I think you should
She's too
just
scared.
put your body in the way. So it physically can't escape, but make it think that it can.
Lay it on the line, Raoul.
What the hell was that sound?
I need
Well,
both
put your
hands to
hand
grab her.
lower so that it can't go under it.
It's gonna jump over my hand.
They
I
can.
gotta be more.
Come on, I'm making the noise and everything. Come here. What the fuck are you doing? Come on.
He's going for
Come on, stupid.
Roll, if you don't move, he won't know you're there.
Yeah, look how much space you have now. Come on. It's just my hand. Give me a hand.
Use your other hand.
I'm well using that hand to hold my phone.
Switch.
The switcheroo is when the chicken will come out.
I can't do it with my lefty.
You're opening the gate too wide, it's gonna get by you.
It won't go.
Go inside the
Oh
cage.
my gosh.
Go inside
You
the
have to
that's
go
it.
in the cage, dude.
Come here, stupid. Come here, stupid.
Grab it.
Wait. I'm almost there. Hold on.
Wait,
What is going
Are
on?
you
Hold
supposed
on.
to grab it by the tail?
I mean, it's really easy.
Wait, you turn off. You turn
I need
off.
both hands. See, oh,
Sure.
the stupid bitch spilled the water on the seed. Oh, I need to get a new seed now and new water. All right, it's time. Shh. Don't alert the chicken. They're all hiding over there, so I can't grab them. But this one's being stupid. If I inch ever so
Wait,
slowly.
if Franklin's the weakest one, why don't you grab him? Or
Franklin's fast as fuck.
Is Franklin a dude?
There's a girl. I just call her Franklin. I hold him like that because that way because that's the best way to hold a chicken with one hand. Show the camera, put them in the cage, and then afterwards they do a backflip.
Why do they look like that?
Because they're scared. They don't know what I'm gonna do.
Swoop, 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 swoop.
I need to get closer.
Swoop the chicken. Take a step forward. Be the bigger man.
They won't be scared.
Don't whisper.
Perch.
Jumpy, do you see this?
I must grab one of them by the tail. Which one?
Middle one.
The one.
No!
They're so quick. They zoom, bruh.
Hold on. I think they forgot that I tried to put him in a cage. Hold on. What the fuck do I do? Oh, look at her butt. They don't want to come back.
You've lost
So,
it. He just lost
there's,
the value.
there's only one thing I can do now.
What's going on?
My
This is
sex
going on.
chicken.
The shape, it's like, whoa.
It's so well
What
defined.
do I gotta do here? You know, why can't real life girl clothing be
Yeah, I know, right?
There's no way he can survive after like having his dead corpse being beaten up by that.
Yeah, like his headset's on fire from how much we're roasting him.
We've destroyed his soul.
Come on, Derek, you can be our third. What are you doing, buddy?
I don't want to spit. I want to goat. I want to gag. I want to choke. I want you to touch that little jiggly Dana swinging in the back of my throat.
Ew!
He locked
Put
the
it on
door.
market again, bitch.
He locked the door. But little did he know.
Break it down!
Key.
Coca-Cola es Puma.
Watch this, people.
That
I'm
part.
gonna put-
Alright.
Animation 130 and above.
Where are they? Oh.
Oh, he's hiding.
He's approaching.
Yes, harmonica! Run!
He hit it with the harmonica.
Ooh. Feisty. Give me that ass.
Look how he's
Give me that
built,
ass.
Joby. You don't want to fuck with him any longer. You don't want to drag out the truth for him.
Joby, he's gonna beat the shit out of you.
Finally, after 10 hours, at 3 in the morning, I got my penis out. And after that,
Oh no. Oh my god. I love this game. This is the reason why I play it.
Are you
That's
serious?
Jazz. Yeah,
Fred.
that's Jazz.
I'm not
Right.
asking for the picture.
Alright,
Bro,
how about this side? Go.
Fred.
You hear me
I've
say it
seen that
again,
butter.
I'll send you a
Fred.
different one. How about that, buddy?
Really?
Yeah. Yes, I promise.
You better fucking do it.
Alright, I did it to Jazz, and you get your own.
Did y'all threaten Raul into not saying the N-word again?
No, he said that he
No,
wouldn't
I
say
did-
the N-word anymore, so we're like, what's the consequence? And then,
Yeah.
What are the charges?
Yeah, but he already said he wouldn't say the N-word anymore.
And then the kids are like, oh, it's like 3 houses down. The little girl said, I know she said, thanks, Jake. But it really sounds like she said, thanks.
dude, you said you wouldn't.
I didn't say the complete word.
Yes, you did!
I said,
Kill me, hurry up! Kill me, hurry!
Wait, oh yeah, it was like this, huh? And then it went like this. Alright, 25 PSN? I don't know how to do it correctly!
Oh, Mono's doing it now.
Where the hell
Hey!
is Raul?
do it, Mom, it's working. Why are you sagging? Are you in class doing this?
yes, he's in class too.
Everybody
Oh no, he
cusses
fell! He fell!
Boris,
Yeah?
can you tell me what the name of H.P. Lovecraft's cat is?
I don't remember it off of memory.
Raul, can you tell me what the name of H.P. Lovecraft's cat is?
What letter does it start with?
It starts with an N.
Isn't it? Oh my dude! Did you see that action kick he did? That was sick.
Yeah! He's battle harmonicaing.
Oh shit, he's taking a stand.
Oh! Oh!
Throw your sister at him! Throw your sister at him!